would like to present about case study water. So the first one is gravity system. Elevate ground above the city can be utilized for maintaining water pressure, and the second one is effective when the water supply source or reservoir is higher than the city, and the third one is water flows naturally due to gravitational force. No pumping is required, reducing energy costs. Provide a reliable water supply to the urban area. The second one is pumping system. Constant pressure is maintained by direct pumping into mains. Flow rate is not easily adjustable based on demand without operating additional pumps. Water supply can be disrupted during power failures or pump breakdowns. Standby units can pump sufficient water during fire emergency. This system is known as a combined pumping and gravity system or a dual system. Initially, when demand is low, water is stored in the elevated reservoir. As a demand increase, the flow in the distribution system can form the both reservoir and the pumping station. This system is more reliable and economical as it requires a uniform pumping rate to meet both low and maximum demand. Water stored in the elevated reservoir can fulfill requirements during pump breakdowns and for firefighting purpose. Sewer network. The first one is trunk sewer. The second one is main sewer line that receives wastewater from the collector server, conveys wastewater to area in intersecting sewer or a treatment plant. Essential part of the sewer network in large population or industrial center. Produce effluent of much higher quality compared to septic tanks. Tertiary sewer. Tertiary water treatment is the final stage of the multi-station master cleaning process. This third stage of treatment removes inorganic compounds, bacteria, virus, and parasites. Remove these harmful substances, make the treated water safe to reuse, recycle, or release into the environment.
Type of sewerage system in study area. Partially separate system, a modified version of the separate sewer system. Discharge domestic sewage and industrial sewage contains some surface runoff and paved yard and roof of the houses. Analyze sewage system in study. Separate new wastewater collection facilities are designed as a separate system, carry either domestic sewage and stormwater, but not both. Stored sewage are typically responsible for transporting surface to a point of disposal such as stream or river. Small detention basins may be incorporated into the system to temporarily store stormwater, thereby reducing the magnitude of the peak flow rate. Primary sewage treatment. In primary sewage treatment, screeners discussing the solid and organic matter. The effluent from primary treatment will contain high amount of organic matter. Description of sewage treatment. Preliminary treatment. What is preliminary treatment? Removal of large solid oil, fat, and other material from sewage so as to protect the wastewater treatment facility engaged in further treatment. The first stage of the first water treatment, which remove debris, sand, grit, and fine particle. Purpose of the preliminary treatment. The purpose is to protect the operation of the wastewater treatment plant. This is achieved by removing from wastewater and any constituent which can clog or damage the pump or interfere with the subsequent treatment processes.
Thus, in existing system, overheating of fluids and lack of air in the system. A frequent problem in the treatment plants is the long-term low oxygen concentration in the tanks below 1.0 mg per liter. However, short-term fluctuation a few tenths of minutes may not necessarily be a complication. However, if the amount of oxygen is low in the long term, this can lead to deterioration of drainage parameters, foam formation on the surface, and similar problems. Exceeding prescribed drainage limits. Exceeding the limits in the COD indicator may have several causes. These are related, for example, to the leaking of sludge from the storage tank or to the overloading of the treatment plant and the inadequate removal of organic matter. Sludge leakage from the setting tank. This phenomenon may be related to oxygen deficiency or nutrient deficiency. Low dry matter content of drainage sludge. This part of WWTPS much depends on the composition and the dry matter of sludge at the inlet of the dewatering line. Purification step for the system. 7 steps of purification of water: ion exchange and coagulation, sedimentation, filtration and granular activate, carbon disinfection, carbon filters, reverse osmosis, and store purified water. So positive impact that community will receive: access to a reliable water supply has a profound and positive impact on any communities, improving health, productivity, and overall quality of life. When communities have consistent access to clean water, they experience significant health benefits as the risk of waterborne disease is greatly reduced. With safer drinking water, the population faces fewer illnesses, leading to lower healthcare costs and better public health. A reliable water supply also boosts productivity. With water readily available for daily activity like cooking, cleaning, and bathing, individuals spend less time gathering water, allowing them to focus on work or education.